Now, let me bring you to about the immunoglobulin. So, I will tell you what is immunoglobulin and the structure, etc. etc. देखो, I have mentioned you that B lymphocytes. Let me again go to that slide. या देखो यहाँ पे मैंने मेंशन किया था कि जो बी सेल्स है, बी लिम्फोसाइट जो है, दे आर वर्किंग बेस्ड ऑन द इम्यूनोग्लोबिन और एंटीबॉडीज, है ना। इसलिए हम अभी डिटेल्स में जानेंगे हाउ दे आर वर्किंग विद द इम्यूनोग्लोबिन एंड एंटीबॉडीज. So in many of the books or many of the articles you'll be getting that antibody or immunoglobulin जो है इसको alternatively they have used. I have mentioned here in a detail that all the antibodies are immunoglobulin, but all immunoglobulins are not antibody. Currently the term antibody and immunoglobulins are actually used simultaneously. In this picture you can see these are the various antibodies. Y-shape, a Y-shape protein detect and bind to specific substances like antigen, bacteria. Since the majority of the antibodies are actually found in globulin fraction, that's why they are actually called immunoglobulin. I hope whatever I have tried to mention you here, you are so much clear after watching these things, after reading this line. So maximum जो antibody है, they have the globulin fraction. That's why. So in 1931 सबसे पहले जो एंटीबॉडी को आइडेंटिफाई किया गया, एंड WHO जो है इन 1964 दे हैव टोल्ड अबाउट द इम्यूनोग्लोबिन. So the production of the antibodies are created by the B lymphocytes. A B, A for antibody, B for B lymphocytes. हमेशा याद रखो. So I think जो है you are very much clear that it will be immunoglobulin or antibodies will be Y-shaped protein and it will bind with the specific antigen. So देखो it will be like this. Y-shaped जो है it will be like this. There will be one heavy chain. ये जो whatever you are observing in this green color, there will be some heavy chain. माने इसका जो मोलिकुलर वेट होगा इट विल बी वेरी हाई. ठीक है, देयर विल बी टू आइडेंटिकल हेवी चेन. यू कैन सी आई मेंशनड हियर टू आइडेंटिकल हेवी चेन. इसका मोलिकुलर वेट जो है, मोलिकुलर वेट विल बी 50 to 3000 to 73000 डाल्टन its size. And there will be also two identical light chain. You can see these are the light chain. Okay, so I have mentioned here in detail. I also have to cover lots of things. I will not go through in any detail part. PPT जो है साइड पे आ जाएगा. I think प्रेरणा might be so much upset with me because देखो साइड में जो है ना मैंने दे दिया था PPT, पर इसमें जो है शो नहीं हो रहा है. मैं अभी देखूंगा लेक्चर खत्म होने के बाद. ठीक है, PPT आ गया है वहाँ पे. And yes, another thing I have to mention that variable region and constant region. ये जो भारी पार्ट है ना, ये जो भारी पार्ट है, the hard part, this will be the constant. This will be not varied. It will be not change its that is structure or anything. And there are 5 different types of immunoglobulin. 5 different types. क्या क्या है sir? IgM, IgG, IgA, IgE, and IgD. Why? Because they are somehow associated with their chain. With their chain, there are various kinds of chain are present. Okay, for example, that is a mu chain. So यहाँ से जो है शब्द आया गया M. So gamma chains, from that word the word is actually coming G. But here it is J chain, but here scientists are calling as a IgA, and spelling यहाँ से आ गया E, and delta से आ गया D. Okay, delta chain, E chain, J chain, gamma chain, and you have mu chain. So this is the way your all the various chains will be there, and they will be that is represent, and those antibodies will be represent themselves. But you can see every year there is some Y shape. देखो हर जगह पे जो है Y shape आ रहा है. देखो यहाँ पे भी Y shape आया हुआ है, यहाँ पे भी जो है slightly Y shape आया हुआ है, पर उल्टा भी एक Y shape है ना. यहाँ पे भी देखो Y shape ही है. Here you can see Y shape, Y, Y, Y and Y, है ना. So whatever I have mentioned here in this slide, this Y-shaped protein. Okay, देखो ये जो Y-shape I was telling you. So you can see everywhere Y-shape is actually present. But yes, because of their chain, they are slightly different. You might be wondering to see that this thing, that IgG, IgE, and your IgD, they are quite similar with each other. है ना. Only IgM is slightly different. Pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentagon. ठीक है, इसमें जो है 5 डिफरेंट माथा है, तो तुम 5 वाई को ऐसे जोड़ दो, 1 2 ऐसे करके 5 तुम डिफरेंट वाई को अगर जोड़ दोगे ना, तुम्हें ये मिलेगा. एंड इफ यू जस्ट ब्रिंग 2 वाई इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन, यू विल बी गेटिंग दिस थिंग्स, एंड रिमेनिंग अदर थिंग्स आर वाई वाई वाई. ठीक है. सो आई हैव मेंशन्ड हियर द डिटेल हाउ दे आर डिफरेंट एंड व्हाट इज देयर वर्क. So IgM, जो we have hemoglobin, the main antibody of the primary responses, and based at the fixing complement. The monomer of the form of the IgM serves as the B cell receptor. हमारे body में, in our entire body, only 6% of the our antibodies are actually falling under this category or this class. Maximum of our in our body we have IgG. Maximum in our body we have this class called IgG. The main body antibody, secondary responses, it is neutralizing the toxins and also oxygens. And IgA, this is the Y shape opposite to Y. These are the secreted into the mucus, tear, and saliva, also in your colostrum. 13% in our body we have the IgA. And IgE, these are the monomers, IgE monomers. So antibody for allergic and antiparasitic activity. Only 0.002% our immunoglobulin classes are actually IgE. And for IgD, this will be work as a B cell receptor. This will work as the B cell receptor, and only 1%. So you are very much clear that in our body we have highest number of the antibody is actually IgG. Now, now I have also mentioned some other information. If you are interested for your learning, it will be very much important. I am not going to discuss here. I have mentioned the same thing whatever I was actually discussing, like mu, gamma, alpha, epsilon, delta. So यही से जो है वो नाम आया है, ठीक है? अल्फा से A, then your अच्छा बहुत जगह पे अल्फा की जगह पे J भी कहते हैं, जेसिन भी कहते हैं, ठीक है? I also mentioned the Dalton, how much their molecular weight is and other things. You may read in your free time. So now the biggest question that how antibodies are working. हमने तो देख लिया सारा कुछ कि जो है एंटीबॉडी कैसे कैसे how the antibodies actually types, what are the types of this antibody. We have seen the IgG, IgE, IgM, IgD, है ना? हम लोगों ने देख लिया. Now how they are actually working. For that you have to understand that there are two cases, two different simultaneous scenario. First, virus. Some virus is actually binding with the receptor of the cell surface. This is the cell. This is your body cell. Here is a virus. Virus is actually attaching with your cell surface. Then your receptor mediated some endocytosis of the virus. Your receptor actually trying to bring that virus in its interior that site. ठीक है? So acidification and endosomes after endocytosis trigger the fusion of the virus with the cell entry. देखो virus जो है now it has entered in your cell. Now antibody will block the binding of the virus receptor and can prevent the block that is fusion event. See, it is attaching na here. Before it attach your antibody, you can see na the Y shape, देखो ये सारा Y shape में है. These things will be attached with these things. See, ये जो प्रोसेस हो रहा है यहाँ पे, यहाँ तक जो प्रोसेस हो रहा है, we are stopping the entire process here. This process जो है हम इसको यहाँ पे stop कर रहे हैं. Okay, by using the antibody. Antibody will bind the virus its surface protein. Antibody will block the binding of the virus to the receptor and can also block the fusion of the event. Now कैसे? How it is happening? सर जो antibody जो आया वो कहाँ से आया? देखो. First step, the binding to the antigen, that is for your B cells. But before that, for example, you have some, let me remove the ink. Yeah, you have some B cells, and in B cells receptor, you have some that is a substance. So some antigen is present. So B cells will modify itself, and this is the receptor. So antigen will be binding here. Then T cells will be, helper T cells will be trigger these things. देखो पहले जो है एट फर्स्ट जो है कोई ना कोई एंटीबॉडी के साथ जो है तुम्हारा जो एंटीजन है उसका कोई रिएक्शन होगा वहाँ पे. आफ्टर दैट फॉर एग्जांपल इट इज नॉट बाइंडिंग, जो है बाइंड नहीं हो पा रहा है ये सारा कुछ. somehow it has got bind. If it is get binding, helper T cells will trigger some chemical signal to your this binding antigens, binding antibody. Then it will release huge number of these things. It will release huge, it will become a plasma cell. The B cell will become plasma cell. यहाँ पे जो है अपना रूप बदलता है. The B cells will become the plasma cell and it will release huge number of such antibodies. It will go there and it will bind with the virus that is surface protein. इसी क्लैरिटी और समझ में तुम लोगों को ये जो मैंने बताया अभी काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है चीज़. अगर नहीं समझ में मुझे बताओ, मैं दोबारा बताऊंगा तुम लोगों को. स्टूडेंट्स रिपीट करो. ओके ओके, थैंक यू ऐसे बोला करो. देखो इन जनरल viruses जो है, viruses are actually coming, it is actually attaching with the cell surface. Cell surface में जो है कुछ receptor है, उसके साथ जो है bind होके through this endocytosis it is entering in your cell. एंटीबॉडी जो क्या करती है, एंटीबॉडी एक्चुअली स्टॉपिंग द वायरस एंट्री, जो एंट्री हुआ ना, जो पूरा प्रोसेस हुआ है यहाँ पे तुम देख रहे हो, एंटीबॉडी स्टॉपिंग द एंटर एक्टिविटी. कैसे? when the virus is actually not attached with your cell, at that time antibodies will be bind with the virus protein. ये जो वायरस के जो डिफरेंट प्रोटीन है, देखो दिस पार्ट एंड दिस पार्ट, when they will join together then it will come to enter, but here our these antibodies are actually blocking this part of the virus. You can see these are the antibodies. Now how these antibodies are actually forming? Antibodies are forming through a process where your helper T cells and your basic B cells are actually associated. In general, in your B cells you have some receptor, so when these things are actually entering, some of the B cells receptor will be try to bind with the this surface protein of the virus. Okay, but the virus is new, it is not able to bind. virus जो है वो मान लो नया है, in that case it is actually not able to get bind. ठीक है, in that case it will modify itself, or it will try to make itself in such a manner so that it can get bind. For example, some of the that is antibodies, or some of the B cells mediated antibodies will binding with the these things called antigen. देखो antigen जो बता रहा हूँ मैं इसकी बात कर रहा हूँ, I am talking about these things. Now when your it is actually binding properly, then T cells will be trigger some chemical signal and it will tell to this B cell that you may produce such kind of antibodies more rapidly. So this B cells will become the plasma cell and it will produce or release huge number of antibodies like this, and it will go to the site of action and it will stop the activity of the other of the virus. ठीक है ऋषभ, आप क्लियर हो गया?
यस सर.
ओके, एक बार मुझे बताओगे रिपीट करके, एक बार कोशिश करो तो तुम्हारे भी जो है प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा और मुझे भी समझ में आ जाएगा कि हाँ तुम्हें समझ में आया.
सर बोला नहीं जाएगा.
देखो ओके, लेट मी टेल यू अगेन, सिंपल हिंदी में बताता हूँ. हमारे बॉडी में वी हैव बी सेल्स. ओके, ये सारे जो बी सेल्स है और ये सारे जो है टी सेल्स है. तो वायरस जैसे ही बॉडी में एंटर करते हैं ना, बी सेल्स पहले जो है उस वायरस की जो इससे सरफेस प्रोटीन है इनके साथ थोड़ा थोड़ा जो है इंटरेक्शन करता है. इंटरेक्शन करने के बाद जो है जो टी सेल्स है ट्रिगर करता है बी सेल्स को कि आप जो है इस टाइप की जो आपका इंटरेक्शन हुआ है ना, इस टाइप की जो आपके पास ये दैट इज एंटीबॉडी है उसको आप और जनरेट कीजिए. यहाँ पे एक वायरस आया हुआ है, उसको कंट्रोल नहीं किया जा रहा है, आप और इसके जनरेट कीजिए सो दैट इट कैन गो देयर, इट कैन बाइंड विद एंटायर वायरस. और वो वायरस जो है हमारी सेल्स के साथ जो है, हमारे जो अनइन्फेक्टेड सेल्स है, जो इन्फेक्ट नहीं हुए सेल्स, उनके रिसेप्टर के साथ बाइंड ना हो पाए. जैसे अगर बाइंड हो गया तो ये वाला पूरा प्रोसेस होगा, ये जो बताया मैंने पूरा प्रोसेस होगा. अगर बाइंड हो गया तो इट विल एंटर इनटू योर सेल, इट विल रिलीज इट जेनेटिक मटेरियल, वहाँ से एक वायरस जो है 100 वायरस जो है वहाँ से बनेंगे. So our B cells are actually stopping its activity. I have a very interesting video. Let me directly go to that video. Okay, देखो another example. For example, some that is a measles virus के example देखो. So this is the existing pathogen. This is an existing pathogen. So already in your body you have some existing antibody. You have some existing antibody. So it will bind very nicely with these things, and it will stop its further activity. You have another pathogens like flu pathogens. So its antibody देखो ये कितना complementary है ना. It will these things will bind very nicely. This thing will bind very nicely here, है ना. For example, you have another example like you have chicken pox. Chicken pox body में पहले आ गया. In your body antibodies are actually generated. So it will यहाँ पे जो उसका structure है, you can see this structure is actually complementary with each other. It will be nicely fixed here, nicely bind with here. So it will bind and it will not able to allow to work further. But if it is a new pathogen like COVID-19 और SARS-CoV-2, कोविड के लिए जो वायरस है वो से कहते हैं SARS-CoV-2. So in this case, if it is a new virus, we will not have an antibody. So either we have to give some vaccine, or we have to give some other things like similar kinds of protein or similar kinds of substance which will generate some antibody. Okay. So for COVID-19, antibodies can stop the activity of COVID-19 in two ways. This is the entire picture of the COVID-19 of SARS-CoV-2. This is the SARS-CoV-2 virus. So we have SE2 receptor in our lung cells. So SE2 receptor के साथ जो है SARS-CoV-2 के virus जो है it is very nicely fixed. You can see this is the in molecular level. I have tried to mention here. It will very nicely fix. It will enter. So antibodies, what will do? Antibody will bind with all the receptor. Here I have mentioned here. Antibodies, you can see why. Antibodies are actually binding with all the receptor first, and then it will macrophage, and then when antibodies are binding, na macrophage will engulf that thing. Macrophage will engulf that thing, and it will destroy. ठीक है, समझ में आया ये चीज तुम लोगों को? अगर कोई भी आम इंसान जो है पढ़ा लिखा नहीं हो तो वो अगर पूछे कि कोरोना वायरस को कोरोना वायरस जो है SARS-CoV-2, हाउ आवर एंटीबॉडीज आर एक्चुअली वर्किंग, हाउ आवर वैक्सीन इज वर्किंग. When you are taking vaccine, automatically in your body there will be some generation of the antibody. Antibody will bind with SARS-CoV-2's surface protein, like spike protein. And then when huge number of antibody will be binding like this, जब ऐसा complex हो जाएगा ना, then your macrophage will engulf this cell, entire complex. Macrophage will engulf the entire complex, and then macrophage will destroy that thing. Another things are also able. Macrophage will present that thing into T cell. Macrophage जो है, there is something called MHC. Macrophage that is major histocompatibility complex. Macrophage will share these things with MHC, and T cell will destroy it. Think, killer T cells. It will destroy it completely. So immune system is not a single minded project, single that is a project. Lots of antibody, lots of cells are actually associated. Okay, so I mentioned the other things, and yes, there is something called monoclonal antibody. So nowadays monoclonal antibodies are used for cancer therapy. कि वहाँ पे हम सीधा antibodies दे रहे हैं body में. So there are more than 100 amount of monoclonal antibodies actually approved by FDA. Okay, so there are similarity and dissimilarity. I am not going to mention here. I am to talk about the MSC. So what is MSC? So here I was mentioning that this cell, this macrophage having the SARS-CoV-2 virus, and it was actually disintegrated. Now some pieces of these things are actually available in macrophage. So it has to be represented. It has to be presented to your killer cells or T cells. You have two kinds of major T cells, like helper T cells or cytotoxic T cells. This is the T cells. Now you see here it is an infected cell. It is an infected cell, or it is an antigen, or in other case it might be an antigen presenting cell like macrophage. ये जो सेल है इसमें माइक्रोब्स है और उसके कुछ पीसेस जो है पड़ा हुआ है. ठीक है, in this cell you have SARS-CoV-2 for example, and this is a macrophage, and here you have the pieces of SARS-CoV-2, and it has to tell T cells that yes मेरे पास जो है वायरसेस है. इसको बताना होगा ना, अदरवाइज टी सेल्स कैसे मारेगा उसको. It will, that's why to tell T cells that yes I have SARS-CoV-2, you may come and you may kill me, आप आओ और मुझे मारो. तो इसके लिए जो है it will take the help of the MHC. It will take the help of the MHC. Full form is the major histocompatibility complex. Is the type 2, and in this case is the type 1. ठीक है, so cytotoxic T cells के लिए type 1, for helper T cells it will go with the type 2. Let me remove the ink so that you can see these things very nicely. देखो समझ में आ गया पूरा मामला. तुम्हारे पास एक वायरस है, वो बॉडी में एंटर किया, पहले एंटर होने से पहले योर फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस, दैट इज योर स्किन, योर अदर ऑर्गन्स ट्राई टू स्टॉप दैट वायरस, बट द वायरस इज वेरी डेंजरस, इट इज एंटर्ड. देन योर सेकंड लाइन इम्यून सिस्टम, second line defense called innate immune system, try to stop the virus entry, try to stop the viral growth, but it has failed. Somehow in your that is a third level defense system, that is called innate immune system, came into the picture. You have B cells, you have T cells. You have B cells, mean antibody. Some antibody got and it is binded, it has actually binded with the virus, the antibodies Y shape. ठीक है, वो वायरस के साथ जो है बाइंड हो गया. Now it was actually when it was binded, macrophage engulfed that virus. Now macrophage has to tell to helper T cells that yes मेरे पास जो है देखो मेरे पास यहाँ पे viruses है आप जो है इसको destroy करो. So helper T cells will come and it will destroy. So that's why your these things helper T cells and cytotoxic T cells will be play a very big role. So in this case there are two different types of the representation. Two different types. One is the MHC1 and another is the MHC2. So this is the picture. Here whatever you are observing, the complex, if I tell you in detail, it will look like this. MSC1 जो है, this is the cytoplasmic that is a cell. In that cell, in the cell surface, MSC either class 1 or class 2 will be that is appear. So there are some differences between class 1 and class 2. Class 1 जो है, the class 1 there will be beta microglobin also. Here is the alpha unit, 3 alpha unit and beta microglobin. In this case there will be one alpha 1 and alpha 2 and beta 1 and beta 2. These things it is ज़्यादा होते हैं इसमें. In majority of your nucleated cells there will be MSC1. But in case of antigen presenting cell like macrophage, B cells and dendritic cells there will be MSC2. ये कहाँ पे होते हैं सर? ये होते हैं surface में. For example, here I have summarized the things. This is a cell. ये जो है यहाँ तक जो है we have one cell and this is the T cell. इनके बीच आपस में यहाँ पे कुछ इंटरेक्शन हो रहा है. This is the T cell, CD4 and CD8. CD4 याद है तुम लोगों को बताया था मैंने. CD4 क्या है? CD4 will be your that thing, that is your helper cells, helper T cells, and CD8 will be the killer cells. Okay, so when that particular virus actually get destroyed and some pieces are here, it will come here, it will be reach in this manner, it will reach in the cell surface, it will tell CDK, that is C cells, T cells. Similarly, okay, another thing, if the activity is happening intracellular, then MSC class 1 will be generated. And if it is extracellular, then it will be MSC class 2. I have summarized in the different section, in differences between MSC1 and MSC2. You may read it at your free time. And yes, there is some similarity. Both are actually synthesized in the that is ER reticulum, and both have found in the APC surface, and both are encoded by the HLA locus, and both are actually that is expression of the gene in the codominant. Okay, in exam there might be some question that write the structure of MSC class 1 and MSC class 2. You should write these things. देखो जो पीपीटी है पूरा इंटरनेट पे तुम सर्च करो, यू मे सर्च एंटर इंटरनेट और कोई भी बुक तुम उठाओ, इतना डिटेल में किसी ने भी जो है बनाया नहीं. आई कैन गारंटी यू बिकॉज बिफोर मेकिंग द लेक्चर आई हैव विजिटेड ऑल द थिंग्स, और जितना आसान तरीके से इसको समझा जा सकता है आई हैव ट्राइड माई बेस्ट. ठीक है, यू शुड नॉट मिस एनीथिंग. आफ्टर जो है बाय टुडे नाइट आई विल ट्राई टू अपलोड द पीपीटी in my site. ठीक है, आज रात ही जो है तुम लोग इसको पढ़ लेना, आसान लगेगा काफ़ी सारा कुछ. Another thing actually hypersensitivity reaction. So I will not discuss these things right now. Only okay, 15 तो हो ही गया. So hypersensitivity means the increased reactivity or the increased sensitivity. If anything entering in your body, if the sensitivity may increase, we call it as a hypersensitivity. Then you mean that stimulation. If you want to stimulate, if you want to increase the activity, okay, the thing will be called as stimulate. तुम लोग जो है मेरे पीपीटी से पढ़ लेना, मैंने मेंशन किया है सारा कुछ. As suppression, there are some disease or some condition where your immunity will be get compromised, suppressed, like diabetes mellitus, hepatic failure, or infection in the CNS or other things. Some drugs are also reducing. And lastly, I am highly interested to mention you about the vaccines. So all of you are aware what is vaccine and how you are taking the vaccine. बचपन में तुम लोगों ने लिए होंगे, तुम्हारे हाथ में ऐसा एक जो है स्पॉट रहे होंगे. कोविड के टाइम तो सब लोगों ने लिए वैक्सीन. Vaccines are various types. It might be live attenuated vaccine, it might be inactivated, subunit or toxic. Live attenuated जो हमारे ऑलरेडी वायरसेस है, उसी वायरसेस को हम बॉडी में दे रहे हैं जो है इनएक्टिव जो है फॉर्म में. Here killed vaccine inactive form में, subunit some part of the virus we are actually giving. Okay, so there are various generation, first generation and third generation. Earlier time जो है, in earlier time the whole pathogen used to given to the patient or to the person. Second generation vaccine जो है native protein antigen माने this part sub unit. Okay, and third generation vaccine में जो है we are actually giving the DNA plasmid. like DNA vaccines, whatever you're listening, mRNA vaccines. So this is the entire chart. तुम लोगों ने देखे होंगे सारे pictures. अमिताभ बच्चन सर कहते हैं 2 बूंद जिंदगी की, देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा। इसमें मीम भी बनते हैं जो मेरे काफी फेवरेट है। So these are the various list of vaccines which are actually taken in various ages. I think तुम सभी लोगों ने दिए होंगे। यहाँ पे देखो जो है यहाँ पे these vaccines actually given, these vaccines will given through a needle. तो this girl is, इसका चेहरा देखो, और यहाँ पे देखो this children are very happy क्योंकि जो है 2 बूंद जिंदगी की वो पिलाया जा रहा है, यहाँ पे दिया जा रहा है as a injection form. So you can give either orally, जो सबका फेवरेट है 2 बूंद जिंदगी की, like this, or either you can take intramuscular, जो अभी तुम लोग लिए हो, or you can also give subcutaneous or intradermal, whatever the process you like. But yes, how vaccines are working? Vaccines are working similar process whatever I was mentioning you since morning. Vaccine जो है कुछ नहीं करेंगे, only the vaccines will produce antibodies, B cells. Vaccines will produce antibodies. So when you are going to insert some bacteria or some virus or its inactivated form, either first generation, second generation, third generation, what as I am mentioning right now, when it will, you will give something in your body, your white blood cell will trigger to produce antibodies to fight against these things. After that, when sufficient antibodies will be produced, then some amount of these things will be saved as a memory. मेरे पास बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एक जो है एक what I can see, I have a cartoon. I think Cartoon Network तुम सबका फेवरेट होंगे, बचपन में देखे होंगे. Similarly, I have very interesting cartoon. Let me play these things. इस कार्टून से तुम लोगों को अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा कि एंटीबॉडी काम कैसे करते हैं. जो हमने देखा सीखा अब तक since morning, same thing I have to summarize. See this cartoon. Can you hear the system audio, students? Just tell me.
No, sir.
No,
Let me share with system audio, because इसमें काफी जो है इफेक्ट्स भी है, उन लोगों को काफी अच्छा लगेगा ये सारा कुछ सुनने में. Where it is, yeah. So you'll be able to recall your childhood memories. Yeah. This is what cells. It is saying attack me. Come on. जागे सब लोग. अरे मेमोरी बीसीएल टीसीएल जे मेमोरी now. Virus is spread, and in that virus already missing then he's safe. मजा आया तुम लोगों को ये कार्टून देख के, या दोबारा प्ले करूं?
yes.
Should I play it again? Okay, Tapesh, Bishop's smiling, Prerna also. Okay, so I'll share this thing, this video also on my Facebook page. तुम लोग वहाँ से डाउनलोड करना और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी सर्कुलेट करना कि वैक्सीन कैसे काम करते हैं, ठीक है? So there is a long process of vaccine development. So first is discovery, then developed, and then it will come to the market. So in development process also there are various phases, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 clinical trial. So you must read in your free time. Here is the picture in a very simplified manner that what are the various types or how you can give. So already I mentioned these things. You can save the vaccine in this way, in your fridge and other that is a process. And there are some differences between vaccine and drug. Vaccine will prevent. Drug will only work as a therapeutic. Then vaccines will be like maximally biologics, and drugs actually are organic compounds. Vaccines are actually process patent. These are actually product. High cost will be there, and in this case you have only few money actually required. Also various diseases, for example polio. देखो इसलिए एक बहुत बड़ा problem है in our pharma and biotechnology. Pharma companies and biotech companies, they are fighting with each other. You know why? COVID-19 वैक्सीन डिस्कवर हो गया. अब जो है जब सबका वैक्सीन लग जाएंगे सर, when everybody will have the vaccine, then who will purchase your that remdesivir? Who will purchase Lopanavir? Who will purchase your other drugs like hydroxychloroquine and including all the monoclonal antibodies? कौन खरीदेगा? बिलियंस ऑफ रुपीस खर्च करके जो है साइंटिस्ट जो है सम कंपनी दे हैव डेवलप्ड वन कॉकटेल 58,000 जो है उसका एक डोज का प्राइस है कॉकटेल वन कॉकटेल फॉर कोविड-19 डोनाल्ड ट्रंप को दिया गया था जैसे सबको वैक्सीन लगेगा हु विल बाय दैट ड्रग so that's why there is a big issue and big challenges and biotech company and this pharmaceutical company they are actually in tussle you will see this thing in your future life another thing is actually hybridoma technology मैं इसको डिस्कस करके आज के लेक्चर में खत्म करूंगा I have summarized the entire hybridoma technology here you see I have discussed about the monoclonal antibody है ना देखो this is monoclonal antibody are actually being produced in our cell antibodies are actually produced by the B cells in our body. But if we have a disease and if we do not have antibody, if our B cells are not able to generate the antibody for a certain disease, then what we will do? We can produce some antibody like monoclonal antibody in outside of our body like in lab and then we can give those monoclonal antibody to the patients. Cancer में जो है already it is working. More than 100 of the drugs are actually monoclonal antibodies and these are working very nicely to the patients. Now, there are some issues with the monoclonal antibody. B cells, they cannot survive for long. That's why we are actually using hybridoma technology. हम उस पे क्या करते हैं बहुत सिंपल हम उस पे जो है कुछ एंटीजन दे देते हैं so we are actually introducing or injecting some antigen into a that is a rat. After that, what will happen? In that rat, some B cells will produce. We are actually fusing this B cells with myeloma cells. We are fusing B cells with the myeloma cells. We are actually producing the hybridoma. And then we are doing some head selection and some process like screening of ELISA and also further screening. And then we are actually getting some antibody producing hybridoma clones. From that, we are actually extracting our monoclonal antibodies. I have mentioned the things in a detail, step by step. तुम लोग यहाँ पे पढ़ लेना, बहुत ही आसान लगेगा, कोई ऐसा difficult कुछ चीज़ है नहीं, जो बता रहा हूँ मैं, उसी चीज़ को मैंने यहाँ पे mention किया, ठीक है? Simple किसी rat को लोगे, उसमें जो है inject करोगे कुछ antigen, and that rat will produce some B cells, that is antibody, and then B cells will be fused with the myeloma cells. You can see. When fused, it will be create the hybridoma. इसे हम hybridoma कहते हैं. And then after further process like head selection, and then you will do some screening of ELISA. ELISA पता है तुम लोगों को ELISA क्या है? And then you will do further screening, and then you will be getting the antibodies, monoclonal antibodies. This will work very nicely in the patients. Already, let me share with you. कहाँ पे था या देखो इन दिस स्लाइड यू कैन सी दीज आर द MAB माने मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडी इसको संक्षेप में जो है इन शॉर्ट वी कॉल इट एज MAB दीज आर द फ्यूअर ड्रग्स देखो सब में जो है MAB लिखा हुआ है लास्ट में MAB माने मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडी ठीक है MAB जहाँ पे लिखा होगा समझ लेना मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडी होगा और मैक्सिमम केसेस इट माइट बी वर्क एज एन एंटी कैंसर ड्रग ठीक है देखो 1997 से स्टिल 2009 these are the few drugs which are actually using multiple cancer breast cancer you have like other colorectal cancer breast cancer kidney cancer various kinds of cancer there actually more than 100 number of the monoclonal antibodies are actually now are on used in the clinical practice so that's it from my side I hope तुम लोगों को काफ़ी अच्छा लगा होगा और काफ़ी तुम लोगों ने कुछ सीखे होंगे मेरे से I am just within 2 minutes या सो हमारा यूनिट 3 में यही सारा कुछ हमारा टॉपिक था हमने देखा अच्छे से अबाउट इम्यूनिटी वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट इम्यूनोग्लोबिन वी हैव सीन MHC हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी मैंने तो बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्कशन नहीं किया बिकॉज इज वेरी सिंपल आई ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड अबाउट द वैक्सीन्स okay then I have mentioned the storage and then lastly I have mentioned the hybridoma technology